meeting if you wish to. Okay, so that is one thing. Yes, these were the basic guidelines. Yes, Rashi miss.
Good morning, everyone. Now that Rakhi ma'am has given us all the instructions and all the guidelines, let's wish each one of us a very best and let's perform our best. And as we all were waiting for this day, and here it is. So let's make our school, our parents, and everyone proud for whatever we are doing right now. So let's begin our day. All the best, everyone, and let's rock it together because we are there with you, supporting you and encouraging you. Don't worry, always keep smiling.
All the best, everyone. Do your best.
Okay, so starting with our very first category for the day, and it's singing. So I want all the singing children to keep their videos on mode, and all the others will keep their videos on off mode. Come on, do that. So singing is the act of producing musical sounds with a voice and immense regular speech by using a sustained totality, rhythm, and a variety of vocal techniques. So here we are with our very first child who and please start with your performance. Durva Salvi. So until Durva comes on screen and before she performs, let's have our second candidate who will be singing for us in her melodious tone. We have Lagima. Lagima over here. Yes, let's hear from Lagima.
Good morning. My name is Lagima Shanbhag. I am going to sing Saptasur. एक सप्तक में होती है 7 स्वरों की एक लड़ी, ऊपर जाते आरोही और लौटे अवरोही, सारे ग म प ध नि सा नि ध प म ग रे सा प सा, षड् ऋषभ गंधार सारे ग, मध्यम पंचम धैवत निषाद म प ध नि, 7 स्वरों के ये है नाम, आओ सब मिल गाए मौज मनाए सीखे आज, आओ सब मिल गाए मौज मनाए सीखे आज, सारे ग म प ध नि सा नि ध प म ग रे सा प सा, ये भारतीय संगीत हमारा सबसे है अनोखा, जो जानेगा पहचानेगा गीत खुशी से गाएगा, आओ सब मिल गाए मौज मनाए सीखे आज, सा रे ग सा रे ग सारे ग रे ग म प म प ध म प ध म प ध प ध नि सा नि ध प सा नि ध प सा नि ध प सा नि ध प म ग रे सा म ग रे सा म ग रे सा म ग रे सा रे ग ग म प प ध ध नि सा नि ध ध प प म ग ग रे सा प सा.
Beautiful, beautiful Lagima. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. And the way you sang, it was so melodious, so beautiful in the morning to hear your sweet melodious tone. All the best, dear.
Now, next up, for the singing category, I would like to call Durva Salvi again from grade 4A to perform on a melodious song. Durva, can we have you on screen?
Durva, request you to on your video.
Am I?
Yes, you're audible.
म्यूट पर बैठी हूँ तेरा वो
Today I am going to sing आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वतराज विराट है दक्षिण में चारों को धोता साबरमती सम्राट है जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है बाट बाट में यहाँ निराला ठाट है देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की कप्तान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम देखो मुल्क मराठों का ये यहाँ शिवाजी डोला था मुगलों की ताकत को जिसने तलवारों पे टूटा था हर पत्थर पे आग लगी थी हर पत्थर एक छोटा था बोली हर हर महादेव की बच्चा बच्चा बोला था वीर शिवाजी ने रखी थी लाज हमारे शान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम देखो ये बंगालिया का है चप्पा हरियाणा है यहाँ का बच्चा बच्चा अपने देश पे मरने वाला है डाला है इसको बिजली ने भूचालों ने पाला है मुट्ठी में तूफान बंधा है और प्राण में ज्वाला है जन्मभूमि है यही हमारे वीर सुभाष महान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम जय हिंद थैंक यू
Durva, that was fantastic. And the background and the song that you have chosen is so apt because yesterday we had our Independence Day and I'm so happy that you sang this song. It was beautiful. It was really amazing. Thank you for performing. Now, next up, I would like to call the drawing category. I'd like to announce all the names for drawing category and craft category so that the students can start, and remember to keep your video off, okay? So I'll just announce the name. We have Arya Bhanushali, Sia Gala, Srishti Khetani, Anvi Kukyan, Reet Parmar, Garvita Upadhyay, Vihan Bhovar, Adya Devadekar, Mehant Mistry, Arham Sheikh, Arjun Singh, all for drawing category, and for craft we have Hriday Trivedi. So I would request all of these students to start your drawing and craft activity and let us know on WhatsApp group once you are done. Rashi Miss, we'll take the singing ahead now.
Thank you so much, Miss Rakhi. Moving forward, our next upcoming singer is Arjun Kini. Arjun Kini, we would request you to please unmute your mic and yes, present your song.
My name is Arjun Parakini. Today I am going to perform a Sanskrit shloka. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Naraduvacha Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauriputram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Swani Nityam Ayukamartha Siddhaye Pratamam Vakratundam Cha Ekadantam Dritiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavakram Chaturtakam Lambodharam Panchamancha Shashtam Vikatameva Cha Saptamam Vignarajendram धूम्रवर्णं धताष्टमं नवमं भालचन्द्रं चं दशमं तु विनायक एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजानन द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसङ्गण्य पठे नरः न च विघ्नं फलं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकर प्रभु विद्यार्थी लभते विद्यान् धनार्थी लभते धनम् पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान् मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिं जपेत् गणपति स्तोत्रम् षड्मासे फलं लभे संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नाज संशयः अष्टभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च लिखित्वाय समर्पये तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वां गणेशस्य प्रसादतः इति श्रीनाथ पुराणे संकष्टनाशनं गणेश स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम. Thank you.
Lovely, Arjun. Vocally, you have a blooming voice and bags of character in your tone. God bless you, dear. Moving forward, our next singer is Shreyas Ghasali. We would request you to please unmute your mic and present the song in front of us. Thank you.
Welcoming Shreyas Ghalsasi on screen now.
Good morning. My name is Shreyas Ghalsasi and I'm going to sing a song Utha Rashtraveer Ho. Utha Rashtraveer Ho. सज्ज व्हा उठा चला सशस्त्र व्हा उठा चला उठा युद्ध आज पेटले जवान चालले पुढे मिळून सर्व शत्रूला क्षणात चारूया खडे एक संघ होऊनी लढू चला उठा उठा चला चला उठा राष्ट्रवीर हो सुसज्ज व्हा उठा चला सशस्त्र व्हा उठा चला उठा वायुपुत्र होऊनी धरू मुठीत भास्करा होऊनी अगस्ती पिऊन टाकू सागरा रामकृष्ण होऊया समर्थ होऊया चला उठा उठा चला चला उठा राष्ट्रवीर हो सुसज्ज व्हा उठा चला सशस्त्र व्हा उठा चला उठा चंद्रगुप्त वीर तो फिरून आज आठवू शूरता शिवाजीची नसान साथ साठवू दिव्य ही परंपरा अखंड चालवू चला उठा उठा चला चला उठा राष्ट्रवीर हो सुसज्ज व्हा उठा चला सशस्त्र व्हा उठा चला उठा यज्ञकुंड पेटले प्रचंड ही सभोवती दुष्ट शत्रु मारुनी त्यात देव आहुती देवभूमी ही अजिंक्य दाखवू जगात चला उठा उठा चला चला उठा राष्ट्रवीर हो सुसज्ज व्हा जय हिंद. थँक यू.
Thank you so much, Shreyas. That was indeed such a beautiful performance. It really gave me goosebumps, and you surely are going to be a great leader in the future. I can sense that already. And thank you so much for picking this song for us. Rashi Miss, I'd like you to take it forward for drawing instructions once again.
Thank you so much. children participating in the drawing and craft. Children participating for drawing and craft. This is an important announcement. The children performing in drawing category are Arya Bhanushali, Sia Gala, Srushti Khetani, Anvi Kuchen, Reet Parmar, Garvita Upadhyay, Vihan Bohad, Adya Devdekar, Mehnat Mistri, Arham Sheikh, Arjun Singh, and Hriday Trivedi. We request you to please start with your drawing and craft. And once you have been completed it, we request you to post the message in the class WhatsApp group so that we can give you the spotlight. Request you to please start with your drawing and craft materials, start preparing for them. And once you are done, you are requested to please post the message in the class WhatsApp group so that we can share the spotlight on you. Thank you so much. Moving forward, our next category is SWS Got Talent. Talent is defined as someone who has natural ability to be good at something, especially without being taught. And we, the students of Sanjeevani World School, have the natural ability to do something without being taught to them. Our first contestant for the day is Krishank Trivedi. We would request Krishank to please unmute the mic and showcase your talent with us. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Krishan Trivedi. I'm going to solve 4 cubes, out of which 2 will be solved normally, and another 2 I will make Indian flag in honor of 74th Independence Day of India. First, I'll solve the cubes normally. This is 2 by 2. I'm going to solve this normally, and this is cube. I'm going to solve this normally.
Krishan, we would request you to place the cube in front of the screen so we all are able to see your talent. Lovely, Krishank. Doing easily what others find difficult is a talent. Doing what is impossible with talent is a genius. So we are proud of you, little genius. God bless you, dear.
Ma'am, and this is called not shapes like a windmill, but it is called windmill, and this is called octagonal barrel.
Lovely, Krishank. You are a little genius of SWS. God bless you, dear.
Now, next up, again, a time for presenting one more talented student of our school. And I'm so proud to announce to call on screen Pranshu Nikharge to showcase his talent under the category of SWS Got Talent. All the best, Pranshu.
Good morning, my name is Pranshu Nikharge. I am going to solve Rubik's Cube. Ceramic salt. This is super flip pattern. Ubuntu salt. Anaconda pattern.
parents and they just want to be one of them. So let's
mystical powers. He can see me everywhere. One day, Hiranyakashipu asked him, pointing to a pillar, if his Vishnu is in it. Prahlad answered, he was, he is, and he will be. Then angry Hiranyakashipu smashed the pillar, and I appeared from that broken pillar and attacked and killed him in defense of Prahlad. I am and I will be for always there for my real bhaktas. Shubham Bhavatu.
Wow, Aryan, that is such a beautiful costume. Just like how Lord Vishnu helped Prahlad and fought the negativity. We wish and we pray that God should be with you and all the negativity from your life should be taken away with only positivities and success in your life. Congratulations once again. Over to you, Ms. Rashi.
Thank you, Miss Rashi. They say dance like no one is watching. They say the dance is actually the language of the soul. People dance to express and not impress. So here we have the students for the next category, that is dancing. And for that, the first child for today is Vriddhi Dattani. All the best, Vriddhi. It's your time now.
My name is a solo dance on Shiva Shri Ganesha.
Lovely, Vruddhi. Your movements captured the essence of the music. God bless you, dear. Moving forward, our next candidate is Ananya. We would request Ananya to please come on screen and showcase your talent.
Ananya, request you to come on video.
Meanwhile, Ananya is getting ready. I would now like to invite Sakshi Pathak. Request Sakshi Pathak to please unmute your mic, come on your video mode and showcase your talent. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sorry, accidentally, there was some technical glitch. So, Sakshi, although the volume was a little low, however, the performance energy was really high and we all enjoyed your performance. Thank you so much for performing on this song. It was really good. Next student for the dance category is Miraya Trivedi. We would like Miraya Trivedi to come and showcase her talent. All the very best, Miraya.
One second. Na? Say hello. A minute.
बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
That was indeed a fantastic performance, Mariah. And again, we all felt all the kind of positivity which we felt yesterday. Thank you so much for this beautiful performance, Mariah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over to you, Rashi Miss.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Rakhi. Moving forward, our next category is elocution, and I would like to call for Anushri Mistry to please come and present her point of view. Today's generation always has a point of view, and yes, we should appreciate their thoughts about what they need to talk about to us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Mistry. I'm here with an important topic. My topic name is time is money, or also we can say that time is priceless and precious. Time can be used for earning money and we can actually do it. But on the other side, we cannot use money to get our lost time back. It means time is more precious than the money. Time is money means by using time in an efficient manner, we can get money, and by wasting it, we can lose the opportunity of earning money. Time is money means by using time, a destiny of a person is not predictable, and we never know when a good opportunity comes to us. It just depends on us, how we use time. A single moment is enough to be the reason of getting heights of success or a big fall down in life. Time is precious and never waits for anyone, whether rich or poor, king or beggar. Time has so much power that it can change a human life completely. It can convert a successful or powerful rich person into a helpless poor man, and a helpless poor man into a rich person. It only depends on you whether you understand the value of time or take it for granted. The importance and value of time are different for all. A student uses it to take knowledge, a working man to earn money, and a house lady to do her household work by keeping the importance of time in mind. In today's world, everyone is just running behind money, fame, and success. If you want your children to get succeed in the future life, you should prepare them since their childhood in such a manner that they understand the value of time and can be able to take time. And this timetable should follow the entire life. तो दोस्तों, आपको पता चला कि समय कितना कीमती है? तो आपका समय वेस्ट ना करके मैं अलविदा लेती हूँ. बाय फ्रेंड्स.
Superb, Ananya. Very well said. Time is money and we should respect time, because when we respect time, only then we are able to get success in life. Moving forward, we have children who have been ready with their drawing and they would like to showcase it to us. I will be announcing the name of those children. You need to come on the screen with your video modes on and showcase that drawing to us and tell us something about it. First one is Srushti Khetani. Request Srushti Khetani to please come on the screen. Srushti Khetani, we would like to see your drawing, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Due to technical error, we are unable to see the drawing that has been made by Srushti Khetani. We'll move forward. I would like... Okay, so Srushti is here. Beautiful, Srushti. You have just created one masterpiece. The color combination is so beautiful. Your imagination skills have been put over this drawing. Lovely, dear. Moving forward, our next candidate is Reed. We would request Reed to please come on screen.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Reed Parmar. I draw coronavirus.
Beautiful, beautiful, Reed. So well presented. You have depicted what you thought about it. Lovely. It's so beautiful and colorful. Very nice, Reed. Our next candidate is Mehnat Mistry. We would like you to unmute yourself and come on screen to showcase your talent. Mehant Mistry, we would request you to please showcase your talent. Please unmute yourself, put your video on the on mode and showcase your thing to us, please. Beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Wow. The color coordination, the combination of colors that you have used.
My name is Mehan Mistry and I drew the Marine Drive.
Mumbai Meri Jaan. It's so beautifully done, dear. Very well color coordinated. Superb. Our next candidate is Anvi. Request Anvi to please come on screen. Thank you.
Hi, I am Anvi Pukhin. This drawing indicates how our doctors are fighting against coronavirus to save our world.
Requesting parents to please do not come on screen when the child is being sharing his or her talent. Lovely, Anvi, so beautifully done. Yes, coronavirus needs to be out of our country, out of our society, and we would want to have our normal life once again. God bless you, dear. Our next candidate is Sia. We would request Sia to please come on screen. Thank you. Sia. We would request Sia. Meanwhile, Sia joins. Yes, Sia.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Sia Gala. Today, the topic which I have drawn is Independence Day.
Beautiful, Sia. The way you have depicted your love for the nation, yes, we respect that, and we do love our country and wish to follow all the rules and regulations and abide and be a good citizen of the country. Our next candidate is Adhya. We would request Adhya to please come on screen and showcase your drawing.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Adya, and I have drawn a monster truck.
All okay? All okay. Wow, Adya, that is truly an amazing drawing. I wish we all could sit and take a beautiful ride on that truck. That really looks really nice.
Yes, once the school opens, we all are going to have a ferry ride in that vehicle of yours. God bless you, dear. Moving forward, our next candidate is Arjun Singh. Arjun Singh, we would request you to please come on screen. Thank you. Till the time we get Arjun Singh on screen, I would like to call upon Vihan. Vihan, we would request you to please come on screen and showcase your talent to us. Thank you. Vihan, request you to please switch your video on mode so that we are able to see your drawing.
Vihan, if you're saying something, we are not able to hear you. Could you check your mic once?
Good morning, everyone. I draw Earth saluting to India flag, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vihan. That is a very beautiful drawing showcasing your spirit of patriotism. Beautifully done. Thank you so much. And you know what? It is apt for the day that we had yesterday. Wonderful.
I would now request Hriday Trivedi to please unmute his mic and come on video mode to showcase the craft that he's made up of.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Hriday Trivedi. I have made origami board.
That's a wonderful craft item that you have made, Hriday. It's so beautiful. And during the rains, yes, paper boats are something which we all love to play it in the water, let it sail in the water, and the happiness that we get in our hearts has no boundaries to it. Moving forward, I would now like to call upon Palak from grade 7. I would request Palak from grade 7 to please unmute the mic and come on video mode, please. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. I am making a flower pot.
Palak, could you just show it on screen what you have done, dear?
I am starting making now. So I will make.
Okay, dear. So once you finish, you just write in the class WhatsApp group and we would see your ready
Yes, ma'am.
thing on the screen. Thank you so much. Moving forward, poetry is something that we all love to listen to, and yes, it builds up our imagination and creativity in our thoughts. Listening to poetries, it always mesmerizes our surrounding area and we fall in love with the theme. Moving forward, our category is poetry recitation, and our first candidate for the same is Jivika. We would request Jivika to please come on screen, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, my dear. Good morning. My name is Jivika Kerala. I am from grade 4A. I am doing a poetry recitation. My poetry recitation name is हम सब एक हैं. हरियाली इधर उधर पेड़ की टहनियाँ, टहनियों के पत्ते, पत्तों में घोंसला, घोंसले में चिड़िया, चिड़िया की चोंच, चोंच में चिट्ठी, चिट्ठी में संदेश, संदेश हम सब एक हैं. हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर. Thank you.
Thank you, Jivika. That was a very nice poem from your side. We really enjoyed listening to it. Next student for poem recitation competition, poem recitation participation is Shweta Shetty. Shweta, can we have you on screen? Unmute yourself, Shweta. We are not able to hear you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shweta Krishna Shetty, and I'm going to recite a poem. And my topic of the poem is Mother is the Best. Everybody has a mother. That is simple and true. But often we forget our mom and all the things that they do. My mom is really great. She's sweet as she can be. When I need some help, I know she's always there for me. Mom loves me all the time, even when I'm pissed. She always takes good care of me. My mother is the best. Thank you.
Well done, Shweta. And the topic that you spoke on, yes, we all feel the same, just the way you do. Mothers are really the best. Thank you for putting light on that topic. Next student for poetry recitation is Parth More. All the best, Parth.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Parth Jitendra Mure. Today I am reciting a Marathi poem. ये ताई पहा पहा गंमत नामी किती आहा चांदोबा खाली आला हौदामध्ये बघ बुडला कसा उतरला केव्हा पडला पाय घसरला कशा उलटे चालावे पायन भाला लावावे किती उंच ते आभाळ तेथून हौदा किती खोल तरी हा ताई आई आई बोलत नाही चांदोबा तू रडू नको ताई तू माझा हसू नको किती किती हे रडलास हौदरड्याने भरलास तोंड बळवले अंग टेचले तेज पळाले उलटा चालू नको कधी असा पडशील जलामध्ये. Thank you.
Lovely, Parth. Yes, the way you presented about the night sky, about the moon, we really fell in love with the night. Thank you so much and God bless you, dear. Moving forward, our next candidate is Devya Patani. We would request Devya Patani to unmute your mic, come on your video mode and present your poetry in front of us. Devya Patani, we would request you to please unmute yourself, come on your video mode. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, this is not Devya's parent. Please allow Bijal Patani.
You are doing that? Give us
Good morning, ma'am. This is not Devya's parent. Please.
Meanwhile, Devya joins us. I would now request Ananya to please come on screen, please, for your performance. Requesting Ananya to please come on screen for your performance.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Ananya Harshal Pisani, and today I am going to perform a classical dance, I Give Nandini.